Hi there guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Shay. And para sa mga bago pa lang dito sa channel na to, by the way, I am a PCOS or PMOS fighter and I've been a lifestyle advocate for 7 years and counting. So today guys, let me share with you what are the things you need to know for you to improve your lifestyle 2026 onwards. And napaka-importante ng part na yan sa dulo. So make sure to keep on watching. Para sa mga nagtatanong if I'm still on a low carb way of eating, yes guys, I'm still on a low carb way of eating, but then hindi lang talaga siya super duper strict katulad nung 2019 lalong-lalo na. But I'm more on improving the different aspects of life and sobrang laking tulong talaga nun when it comes to my lifestyle. And yan yung excited ako na i-share sa inyo today. So let's go to number 1. Number 1 is the physical aspect. Sobrang importante talaga sa akin na pinahahalagahan ko how my physical body is working or kung paano ko siya talaga inaalagaan at this time. As a late 30s girly, sobrang marirealize natin yung energy na difference ng mga 20s pa lang tayo, tas ngayong late 30s na, 'di ba? So, I realized na kailangan talaga nating alagaan yung body natin this age na ito. So, I need to make sure na inaalagaan ko yung when it comes to nutrition. So, yes, still, yung mga real foods, I really have to focus sa mga nilalagay sa plato ko. And then, for the movements, most of the time, wala naman talaga akong exercise routine pa rin, guys. But I a lot sometimes like 15 minutes walking or 30 minutes walking, whether naghahatid ng Junakis or hindi. So, I'm trying to do the walking kung kaya sa morning. And then, number 3 is my sleep. So, I need to make sure na mga at least 10 p.m. pa lang is natutulog na ako. So, I've been running sobrang daming contents and then I'm actually a one-woman team. So, alam na alam ng mga followers ko na pag 10 p.m. na talaga or between 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. guys, hindi na talaga ako nakakasagot ng mga inquiries because I really need to make sure na as in 10 p.m. nagpapahinga na po ang person na ito. So, I realize for the physical aspect, kailangan talaga nating alagaan ang katawan natin because sabi nga nila, 'di ba, isa lang yung katawan. So, dapat inaalagaan natin siyang mabuti. And ang nakakatuwa, guys, I'm more on focus on lab test result. Kung ano yung nakikita ko sa lab test is super duper happy ako pag naging positive siya, 'di ba? So, last time before I had my birthday, April, good news, I have a good test result, guys, and super duper happy ko diyan. So, I'm still focusing on health versus weight loss at this time and yes, mas stress-free talaga siya. Our number 2 aspect, guys, is about the mental and emotional aspect of life. Sobrang napakalaking realization from the 2025 up until now 2026 na napakahalaga talaga ng mental health natin. And it's something that I'm really improving, especially this 2026, guys. Kasi you can eat all of the nutritious food in the world, maging perfect ka sa lifestyle na meron ka. But if mali yung mindset mo and hindi mo control kung ano yung emosyon mo is hindi mo talaga siya magagawa ng tama. So at this moment guys, I'm very, very in love about personal development. And there are a lot of things na ini-enjoy ko ngayon na I want to share with you. Siguro hindi na dito sa video na to guys, but i-share ko sa inyo yan more soon para makatulong sa inyo na mas ma-improve yung lifestyle ninyo in incorporating or parang i-relate or gawin nyo siya ng sabay into personal development kasi sobrang laking tulong talaga. So, importante na if we are doing things, we have to be on a positive side and then ini-improve din natin yung mga sarili natin kung papaano tayo nag-iisip, kung ano yung mga response natin sa bagay-bagay. And I also wanted to share that the reason why I stopped doing the vlog um, in the past few months, guys, because I really have to prioritize my mindset. Sobrang hinamon ang mindset ko from the 2025, actually, literally mental health since 2025 up until this 2026. Actually, this 2026, yes, I feel I'm really, really getting better and kailangan ko talagang piliin na mag-stop muna or bawasan muna yung mga loads ng task ko kaya kailangan ko talagang i-stop muna si task for the channel and i-improve yung sarili ko, i-improve yung mindset, i-improve yung mental health ko, and then go on a strong personal development na activities era, and it really did help me a lot. So, if you want to know more about it, I would like to share it with you guys more. So, make sure na nakasubscribe kayo dito sa ating channel. So, importante yon in changing lifestyle, guys. So, I hope na ma-realize natin kung gaano talaga sobrang halaga ang mental health. Number 3 aspect of life na sobrang halaga sa akin is the social aspect. So, grabe ang whether you are on a personal life, for the first personal life, for the business, for the career, you really have to make sure you are in the correct circle. And sobrang super duper malaking realization din yan for me. So, if you are changing your lifestyle, 'di ba? So you have to make sure na nandun ka sa mga circle na pinupush ka na go for that change for the better at hindi yung gina-judge ka, dina-down ka, 'di ba? Yung parang hindi ka tinutulungan to grow. So it has to be I realize and I learned that it has to be or you have to be on a circle na tutulungan kang mag-improve, tutulungan kang i-push na gawin pa yung mga bagay na mas magpapa-better sa'yo. Kaya importante to be on a group, kung meron kayong mga group na pwede ninyong ma-join, even just in social media, kung wala kayong kakilala personally, just make sure tama yung mga groups na sasamahan ninyo para ma-make sure na talagang nandun kayo sa mga tamang tao na tutulungan kayo. You have to be on the same goals, same vision, same purpose, and sobrang solid. Kapag nandun ka sa tamang circle, guys, mas mapupush ka to be better. Because, yes, tamang circle should be the one pushing you and hindi ka iiwan sa gitna, hindi ka iiwan sa dulo, hindi ka iiwan na durog ka, but they will stay, they will motivate you, they will clap you even sila ay nasa baba pa lang ng journey nila, matutuwa sila sa'yo. And it's something that I really improving right now because that people na ganon is I'm improving to be ganon din talaga ako. So for us to attract those people is we have to start sa sarili natin. So we have to be hindi judgmental. We have to be at least, motivating mga people na maging better, and makikita ninyo kapag mas naging better din yung sarili ninyo is mas maa-attract niyo yung mga tamang tao sa paligid ninyo. So, when it comes to career man yan, when it comes to business man yan, when it comes to personal man yan, I'm very intentional and very selective ngayon sa mga taong sasamahan ko, because I really, really need to make sure na yung mga sinasamahan at pinapakinggan ko is talagang iaangat tayo, talagang sabay-sabay tayong pupunta doon sa goals and vision nating pare-pareho. Aspect number 4 na sobrang importante sa akin is the spiritual aspect. You know what, guys? Sobrang corny ba pakinggan? Parang gano'n yung term, para sa akin before, na kapag nahanap mo na talaga yung connection mo sa Creator and naramdaman mo kung gaano kanya niyakap, minahal sa mga panahon na super down na down ka, hindi ka na maghahanap even material things, even other people, kasi ikaw at siya lang is sobra-sobrang sapat na. So, spiritual aspect for me is sobrang halaga na ma-improve natin sa mga sarili natin, even doing our lifestyle, guys. So right now, I've learned to be more super, super duper grateful. Maliit man na bagay or malaking bagay man yan na mga blessings na dumadating, sobrang laging pasasalamat talaga. And then, I have developed ng sobrang faith sa Creator na, wow, kahit hindi pa nga nangyayari, sobrang pasalamat na ako kasi ramdam na ramdam ko talaga. So, if you ever been to a situation na sobrang, hala, parang naiwan ako mag-isa, parang hindi ko na kaya, parang hindi ko na kayang buhatin yung sarili ko dito, pero naramdaman mo na hindi, nandito ako, parang naramdaman mo talaga yung presensya ni Creator na sinabi niya or pinakita niya sa mga ways na nangyayari sa life mo na hindi, nandito ako, and you have to keep that faith, and you have to keep that grateful heart at the same time. Grabe, sobrang mas madali niyong magagawa yung other aspects of life na nabanggit natin. So, for the physical, for the mental issues man yan or emotion issues, or yung mga social, pagpili sa mga social relationships natin, sobrang dali mo na lang siyang magagawa kapag mas naiintindihan mo at mas nararamdaman mo yung connection sa taas. So, very, very important, guys. Just in case you're feeling lost, just in case parang feeling mo wala ka ng pag-asa, tumawag ka lang talaga sa kanya, idasal mo lang talaga sa kanya, and super duper legit, guys. I'm super duper nag-uumapaw yung pagpasasalamat even with the bad things. Kasi kung hindi naman sa mga bad things na yon, na mga kaganapan sa buhay ko, is hindi ako nandito ngayon, standing strong, improving myself, getting all of those blessings na parang hindi ko naman deserve pero binibigay niya pa rin sa akin. So, let's improve that spiritual aspect of life, and you will see kung papaano magbabago yung mga sarili natin, even also our lifestyle. Other aspect, of course, is the financial aspect, guys. And you know what? Sobrang dati na sobrang priority ko talaga is laging financial, 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 pera, pera, pera. So yes, guys, sobrang importante talaga ng pera, especially these days. But I realized na while you are trying to get that financial goals that you have, you also need to make sure na yung apat na aspect, especially the spiritual and the mental aspect, is ini-improve mo rin talaga. Kasi kung hindi, kapag na kahit gaano karaming pera yung meron ka is hindi ka pa rin talaga magiging masaya. And you know that may mga tao na dumadaan sa ganyan ngayon. So, it has to be developed talaga slowly yung mga different aspects of life na yan properly, and hopefully you will be able to develop that strong para mas maging peaceful yung life natin. Feeling ko humahaba na tong vlog na to, guys, but the whole idea and something that I really wanted to just share in this video is if you want to change your lifestyle starting this 2026 onwards is you have to do this as holistically as possible. So, hindi lang pwedeng nakafocus tayo sa physical lang, sa nutrition lang, hindi sa mental health lang, hindi sa emotional or spiritual lang, but we have to slowly learn kung paano sila gawin ng slowly and balance sa mga buhay natin. Because again, sabi nga nila, hindi naman tayo ginawa na humans as one aspect of life lang. So we have different aspects, and yan yung mga diniscuss natin, and super duper nakatulong talaga sa akin in improving those different aspects of life. And I hope doing this vlog and something different at this time will help you start and then keep going in changing your lifestyle. Grabe, guys! So finally, nakapag-vlog na tayo, and thank you so much for still staying with me, for still loving your Shay Jella SJ. And hindi ko alam kung makakatulong sa inyo tong video na to, but if you do, make sure to click on like, make sure to comment down below if you have any questions, and try nating sagutin on my next vlog. And make sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos next. And super excited akong mag-share pa ng mga um, things na hindi ko pa din naman nasi-share sa inyo na nakakatulong sa akin, especially doing the lifestyle or more. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Feeling ko lumamig na yung kape ko, but I'll see you on my next video. And again, don't forget to always keep going, guys.